Ethical hacking plays a crucial role in today's digital world, where cyber threats are constantly evolving and becoming more sophisticated. By conducting ethical hacking tests, organizations can identify weaknesses in their systems and take proactive measures to strengthen their security. These ethical hackers have the knowledge and skills to think like malicious hackers, allowing them to anticipate potential vulnerabilities and protect sensitive data and information effectively. This proactive approach helps businesses stay one step ahead of cyber attackers, ensuring that they are better prepared to defend against potential threats. Ethical hacking is not about causing harm or compromising security. It is about enhancing security measures by identifying and fixing vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious actors. Through the use of techniques such as social engineering and phishing scams, ethical hackers simulate real-world attack scenarios to test the resilience of a system. By performing these authorized hacking tests, organizations can evaluate their security posture, improve their defensive strategies, and ultimately safeguard their assets from potential cyber threats. Ethical hacking is an essential tool in the fight against cybercrime, helping businesses stay secure in an increasingly digital world. Certified ethical hacker. A certified ethical hacker is not just a regular IT professional, but someone with specialized skills and knowledge in identifying vulnerabilities in systems and networks. They use the same techniques as malicious hackers, but their aim is to protect organizations by finding and fixing weaknesses before cybercriminals can exploit them. This role requires a deep understanding of hacking tools, techniques, and technologies, as well as a commitment to ethical conduct and the law. The Certified Ethical Hacker credential sets a standard for individuals in the field of ethical hacking, ensuring that they have the necessary skills and expertise to safeguard sensitive information and networks. By certifying professionals in this discipline, it reassures organizations that they are working with experts who can defend against cyber threats effectively. Additionally, it helps to distinguish ethical hackers from malicious ones, highlighting the importance of ethics in cybersecurity and promoting responsible practices within the industry. What is the Certified Ethical Hacker Certification? The Certified Ethical Hacker Certification, or CEH, is considered one of the most prestigious certifications in the cybersecurity industry. It demonstrates that the holder has a deep understanding of how to identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses in computer systems, as well as proficiency with tools commonly used by malicious hackers. By having individuals on their team who possess this knowledge, organizations can better protect their systems against potential cyber threats. Having a CEH certification is not only valuable for individuals looking to advance their careers in cybersecurity, but also for companies looking to strengthen their security defenses. Cyber attacks are becoming increasingly sophisticated, and having professionals who understand offensive strategies allows organizations to anticipate and defend against potential threats. The widespread acceptance of the CEH certification within the security industry underscores the importance of recognizing individuals with these critical skills. Overall, obtaining a CEH certification can open up doors for cybersecurity professionals and help organizations stay ahead in the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity. What are the CEH exam requirements? The CEH certification is considered to be an entry-level certification in the field of cybersecurity, but it is highly valued by organizations looking for professionals with offensive security skills. To be eligible to take the exam, candidates must meet certain requirements determined by EC Council. One of these requirements is that candidates must either be at least 18 years old or provide written consent from a parent or legal guardian, and a supporting letter from their institution of higher learning if they are under 18. While the requirements for the CEH exam are less stringent compared to other cybersecurity certifications, it still requires candidates to have a basic understanding of security concepts and techniques. The certification application process evaluates candidates based on their educational background and work experience to ensure they have the necessary skills to pass the exam. Overall, obtaining a CEH certification can open up opportunities for individuals seeking a career in offensive security and help them stand out in a competitive job market. How much does obtaining a CEH certification cost? When considering the cost of obtaining a certified ethical hacker certification, it is important to take into account several factors. Firstly, there is a $100 non-revenue